Hey, we're at Double Dogs in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're getting ready to go in and sit, stay, and eat. Double Dogs offers a wide variety with starters like nachos and chili cheese fries, plus hot dogs and other Double Dog favorites. Black Angus burgers and chicken fingers and wings, as well as a variety of sides. If you want something lighter, they offer mini salads and sandwiches too. And don't forget about the pizza French baguettes. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Chili cheese fries? Oh, they're really good. Okay, so I got the Double D BLT with the fried egg and the coleslaw. Woo.
Smile. All right, so we just finished eating at Double Dogs restaurant in Bowling Green, Kentucky, where you sit, stay, and eat.
Yeah. I had the Double D BLT with a fried egg on it and a coleslaw. My bacon was perfectly crispy, and my egg was, the white was cooked like I like it, with a little bit of the yolk being runny, and the coleslaw was really good. They use a Thousand Isle dressing, so it was really creamy. What'd you have, KK?
I had honey barbecue tossed chicken fingers.
How was it?
It was good. It was spicier than I thought.
And I can confirm that they were spicy because she let me have one, but it was delicious.
All right, Zach, what'd you get?
I had a bacon cheeseburger.
Okay,
with fries. It was pretty good.
And you enjoyed it?
I did enjoy it. Yes.
Okay, the meat was seasoned good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And then I had the pizza saucisse. It was a French baguette, or with some kind of cheese. I'll have to look. I'll put it right here. With Italian sausage. It was very good.
I tried a piece of it, and it was really good.
It is.
Yeah.
It was good.
And then we started it off with the chili cheese fries, and we all devoured those.
Yeah. And it was good. The chili was really good that was on it. So Well, the question is, would you eat there again? Would you?
Me?
Yes, you.
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
I mean, I don't want to go first, but I mean, if you want to ask me.
Yes.
Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm asking you.
I would definitely eat here again.
Okay.
I got the pizza saucisse just because I wanted to try something a little bit different, and it was delicious. I could either get that again, but I might try the chicken wings, the boneless chicken wings, or the burger, because the burger that Zach got looked really good.
There were several things on the menu that looked really good. I had a hard time choosing. Would you guys eat here again?
Yeah.
You liked it? I think we
What
all
if you had to
agree.
pay?
Sure.
I'd think
Oh,
about
okay.
Yeah, it was a little bit on the
Well, it was-
pricier side, but I guess probably for this area, it's not really.
Yeah, we're not familiar with this area at all, but it was $66
Yeah,
for
that's
4
too-
of us, so that's really not bad at all.
Yeah, I guess not.
Yeah.
Because we all had drinks.
Yeah, and it's New Year's Eve,
Yeah.
so I mean, this place is clearly very popular.
Yeah.
We didn't record a lot in there because it was so loud, but plus the Alabama-Cincinnati game was on for the Cotton Bowl. But it looks like a very fun place to come. I'm glad we stopped here. The food was really good. The atmosphere is a little bit loud, but it's really fun. It's a good place. Okay, well, now we're going to start driving back toward Tennessee. That's going to wrap it up for today.
If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any comments, if you'll leave them below, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, have a great day.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.